A Best First Aid Kit offers comprehensive, ready-to-use medical supplies designed for quick, effective response to injuries and emergencies. Compact and organized, it ensures essential tools are easily accessible, promoting safety and peace of mind at home, work, or on the go. In this video, we recommend the 7 Best First Aid Kit. Based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Be Smart Get Prepared 110 PC First Aid Kit. The Be Smart Get Prepared 110 PC First Aid Kit offers a comprehensive range of 100 essential first aid treatment items, making it perfect for home, office, travel, or outdoor use. Manufactured by the leading first aid kit manufacturer in the USA, this kit meets the strict FDA regulatory standards as a certified medical device, ensuring reliability and safety in emergencies. Its rugged, impact-resistant high-density plastic case keeps supplies secure and well protected, while the fully organized interior compartments provide quick, easy access to everything you need when every second counts. The compact and portable design fits easily in various spaces, from your car to your backpack. The easy slide latches lock securely, keeping the kit safely closed until you need it. Ideal for families, businesses, camping, and sports, this kit offers peace of mind with its thoughtful selection of supplies and durable, user-friendly case. Number 6. Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose Portable Compact First Aid Kit. The Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose Portable Compact First Aid Kit is a versatile 160-piece set designed for home, car, travel, camping, and outdoor emergencies. This comprehensive kit includes essential supplies like cleansing wipes, gauze pads, assorted Band-Aid brand adhesive bandages, rolled gauze, antibiotic cream, and itch-stopping cream, covering a wide range of minor injuries such as cuts, scrapes, burns, rashes, and insect bites. It features full-size Neosporin Plus pain relief cream to prevent infection and relieve pain, along with extra-strength Benadryl itch-stopping cream to soothe itching from rashes and bites. Additional items like Tylenol Extra Strength Acetaminophen caplets and a Bengay non-medicated instant cold pack help ease aches and pains. 2 pairs of gloves and a helpful first aid guide are included for added safety and guidance. All supplies are neatly organized in a durable, compact box, making it easy to access what you need quickly during emergencies or daily use. Number 5. First Aid Only 91248 OSHA-Compliant First Aid Kit. The First Aid Only 91248 OSHA-Compliant First Aid Kit is a 260-piece emergency kit designed to serve up to 50 people, ideal for businesses, work sites, homes, and vehicles. It includes essential supplies like bandages, gauze, butterfly closures, burn cream packets, antibiotic ointment, BZK antiseptic towelettes, disposable gloves, scissors, and tweezers to handle a wide range of minor injuries and emergencies. The durable plastic case features easy slide latches, a clear cover, and individual compartments that keep everything neatly organized and easy to locate, even during high-stress situations. Its compact design and versatile contents make it suitable for offices, construction vehicles, home use, or car storage, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected accidents. This first aid kit is also HSA and FSA eligible, adding extra value and accessibility. Prioritize your safety and stay equipped with this OSHA-compliant, all-purpose first aid solution. Number 4. Band-Aid Travel Ready Portable Emergency First Aid Kit. The Band-Aid Travel Ready First Aid Kit is a compact, essential kit designed for quick wound care on the go. It contains 80 essential items organized neatly in an easy-to-carry case, making it perfect for storing in your car, luggage, or backpack. This kit includes 30 Band-Aid flexible fabric adhesive bandages in assorted sizes and 21 TRU Stay Sheer adhesive bandages to cover and protect minor cuts and scrapes effectively. A full-size tube of Neosporin Plus pain relief first aid antibiotic ointment helps prevent infection and soothes pain quickly. The kit also contains 10 sterile gauze pads to clean wounds and 9 hand cleansing wipes to keep your hands hygienic during treatment. With its organized, portable design, this travel kit is ideal for anyone needing reliable, convenient first aid on the move, whether for travel, car emergencies, or everyday adventures. Compact and practical, this kit ensures you're prepared for minor injuries anytime, anywhere. Number 3. CareScience First Aid Kit. The CareScience First Aid Kit includes 110 physician-recommended supplies, neatly organized in labeled pouches for quick access and easy refills. This all-in-one kit covers a comprehensive selection of first aid essentials, including antiseptics, medicines, bandages, and treatments for cuts, scrapes, bruises, and minor aches and pains. It also comes with a thorough first aid guide, helping you confidently handle a wide variety of emergency situations and injuries with ease. Designed for multi-use, this kit is perfect for professional environments, homes, cars, schools, survival situations, camping, hiking, and more. Proudly made in the USA by a leading consumer first aid manufacturer, it delivers high-quality, reliable supplies you can trust. Compact and thoughtfully organized, this kit is an excellent companion for anyone needing dependable first aid care anywhere life takes them. Number 2. KeepGoing Travel First Aid Kit. The KeepGoing Travel First Aid Kit for kids combines style and function in a compact, TSA-approved design perfect for purses, diaper bags, backpacks, or cars. With 130 essential items, this mini kit covers everything from burn relief to bandages, ensuring you're prepared for every little ouchie on the go. Unlike typical kits aimed at adults, this one's thoughtfully crafted for families, making it ideal for babies, toddlers, and kids of all ages. Inside, you'll find premium, latex-free materials housed in a stain and water-resistant case, plus a helpful first aid guide for added peace of mind. Created by a mom for moms, this HSA and FSA eligible kit keeps the fun going while keeping your family safe wherever life takes you. Number 1. General Medi 110 Pieces Small First Aid Kit. The General Medi 110 Pieces Small First Aid Kit delivers high-quality medical supplies in a compact, travel-ready hard case. Manufactured in certified facilities, it meets global safety standards and is suitable for both adults and kids in emergencies. Inside, you'll find 110 hospital-grade items, packed with more value and quality than most kits on the market. Its lightweight, efficient design makes it perfect for your car, home, office, school, or outdoor adventures like hiking and camping. Whether you're at home or far from help, this durable kit lets you be your own first responder when it matters most. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.